Morning, KJS. Today is Wednesday, January 11th, and it is day 3.
Today is National Step in a Puddle Day and Splash Your Friends Day, and the anniversary of Amelia Earhart's first solo flight from Hawaii to the mainland in 1935.
Now let's hear the weather.
Today's weather is a mostly sunny day, a windy night, a high of 83 and a low of 44. I think I'm going to splash my friends at recess today.
Thank you, Rafaela. That sounds chilly.
Next, let's hear what's for lunch.
Today's lunch is yogurt combo, hummus bento box, and cheese quesadilla. Sounds good.
Thank you, Sadie. That sounds cheesy.
Birthdays today are Gus Davis.
Our pledges today are from Miss Turner's class. Please rise as they introduce themselves.
I am a dragon.
You say your name.
Just say your first name.
Maggie.
Andrew.
Jace.
Charlie.
Now for our dragon code. I'm a dragon. I do the right thing, respect others, act with kindness, give my best work, offer help, never give up. We are strong, we are smart, we are kind, we are JES.
Now for the pledge to the American flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for the pledge for the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
And now for a moment of silence.
Have a good day.
Have a great day.